Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this a small video about gold. So let's get started. Over the weekend, I think Saturday, I made Saturday or Sunday, I made these couple of charts about gold. Uh, it's like a Hermione pattern setup, right? So this is one of them that I said either this one from point C is gonna go to the upside or may drop a little bit and then go to the upside, right? Or it will drop all the way to 78% to D to finish up a Gartley pattern and then go to the upside. That's the calculation. And then another chart, the other scenario was this chart. I said, well, if this is what it is, it's going to drop here, but instead of coming all the way down, it will stop here around at maybe 38% or 23% line, somewhere here, and then go to the upside to finish up this pattern. These are the couple of scenarios. So both way we're supposed to be coming down, right? Most chances were they're coming down. So what happened? The market opens up and then it went up a little bit more and then start to drop. So now we are here after going up a little bit and then coming down. So this is how it is. See, this one is like we went up a little bit, but it's still touching 78%. We have not touched 100%. So this pattern is good. So we came down a little bit, right? And we are sitting at 2509 level. 2509 is this candle, this big candle. That is the high of, you can see here, 2508.97. So I call it 2509, right? So this is the number there. And it is sitting over there right now. Now, if you look at this small thing, what is really happening here, it is something like this, right? Now we have another pattern. It's called Gartley pattern, right? That was first, I showed you the big one. Same calculation, right? It was like X, A, B, C, B is at 61%, then 23, then 78, right? That's usually happen. And it may still happen here. This chart is still intact. If it comes down all the way, and I'll show you how. But in the small time frame, a little bit, half of this time frame, this is the 1,000. So I'm gonna show you a small, like a 500. That this is what happened. Same thing, X, A, B, C, D, and you can see that this B is at 61%. Then we went up to 23%. Then we came down to 78%. And now we are sitting there, and this 2509 is right there. So we are messing around with this number, right? Now we have to decide, the market has to decide either it's going to go to the upside, again, going back to 2531, or may drop first, like I said, that to fulfill this chart here, all the way down here, or maybe the other one onto 23% line, right? Maybe here, 23% line is coming exactly 2483. So you can see here that 2483 is there, right? So what can happen? Two things. This is again, this is what it is. It's a Gartley pattern, right? X, A, B, C, D. But sometimes what happens is that you're expecting that it will go, the reaction will go up after this, after bullish Gartley finished at point D. Something happens news-wise, fundy-wise, and then instead of going to the upside, it makes a turn and then boom, go to the downside, right? And that's what I call a failed Gartley. Failed Gartley looks like this. That's how it is. This is my diagram that I made with my own understanding, and I call it a failed bullish Gartley. It's a bullish Gartley. It's going to be bouncing instead of from here. It fails to bounce from here, but then it came all the way down. Let's say it's going to come down to 127 or 161 extension level. If it's from 61 to 161, there's another pattern called crap pattern. That's what the calculation is. So we have to see the which area or SNR level it is coming to, very close. So this 1.618 extension, if you have this, I have it here, and it is coming exactly 1.618 coming to just above this area, 2483. Now, if you pull the fifth from bottom to top here, as wave 3, then this is wave 4. Right now, forget about that. I don't want to talk about the Elliott wave right now. So from fib from here to here, all the way, so 78% is coming exactly 2483. So this number is very crucial right now, 2509. If we close above and then start to go to the upside, then going to easily 2531 and even more, right? But if not, if we're gonna drop, we test this number and then start to drop, then we are coming down to at least this number 2483, or maybe lower. Who knows, right? But I think that 2483 will stop. Or just below that, well, it is 78%, right? So 161% is a little bit higher than that. So that's okay. When you have a SNL level and 78% fib, then the price will come here. So the question is that, are we going to bounce from here? And this Gartley pattern will play out, bullish Gartley, and then we go up. Or it's going to be a failed one and then come down here to completing a, crab pattern and failed Gartley, and then bounce from 2483 later on. So I think the most chance that we have, I think right now, that we might be able to go up from here. Let's see what happens, right? So I always keep my doors open both sides, always, right? So if you go above 2509, then what will happen? What I will do, I will be looking for entry from my 200 bucks or 150 bucks. Let's, for example, this one. This thing need to get out. Okay. So, for example, here, so it is bullish or bearish, right? It's bearish, right? Big time, and I need bullish. So this line is 2509. If it is going to go to the upside, then it will go up here, and then I will see maybe a 200 bucks size, right? So it will go up here and then give me the entry here. And if I get the entry here somewhere like, maybe 24, 25, 24, 25, 25, then I'll take it to 25, 31 or even higher. That's the idea. So key number is right now 2509 to watch. We are wobbling underneath that. Let's see what happens if we're gonna go up. This chart is like this. We can easily come down here. This is also the same calculation for a bearish butterfly, which is XAB is 78%. Then C usually come to either 38% or 23% line. Here also 23% line coming exactly where 2483 is. So we have a good chance of this to happen, and we have a very good chance of that to happen to the upside. Which one is going to prevail? Time will tell. Be vigilant, be ready, and I'll be ready, and I'll take my trade, and then I'll show you how I took the trade. Either I'm going to take it from this chart, 150, or maybe I think it's 100. I change it, change the box size, or it's from 200. But I need a clear entry to the upside. Then I'll take it. If not, then maybe if it's going to drop here, then I'll see if I can get a serious retracement, and then after that, I'll make the entry in the volume time. Right now it's 12:21. I will not bother doing anything, I think, until a London session. All right, so this is it for now. Again, this is the chart that I'm looking at right now. It's very important. So, manage yourself and take care of this gold thingy. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get these videos on time and take advantage of that. All right. So talk to you guys soon. Again, let me see. How do I close it? Okay, stop recording.